Automatic links in Noloco allow you to create connections between different tables or external data sources like Google Sheets and Airtable. By setting up these links, you can ensure that values stay in sync, making data management more efficient and improving how your records interact. Let's walk through how to use automatic links effectively. An automatic link connects two tables or records by matching specified field values, keeping linked values automatically in sync. This feature makes it easier to connect external data sources, set up better filters and views, and ensure bidirectional syncing, meaning updates in one field reflect in the linked field. For example, if you have an account table and a project table, you can create an automatic link by matching the client name field in both. This ensures that any updates are reflected across related records without manual adjustments. To set up an automatic link, start by navigating to the Data tab in Noloco and selecting the table where you want to establish the link, such as the account table. Click Add Field, choose Link to another record, and give the field a relevant name like client name. Next, enable the option to automatically link these records. Once enabled, define the linking rule by matching a field from the project table, such as client name, with a corresponding field in the account table, like name. After saving the field, the automatic link is established, keeping the values in sync between the two tables. Automatic links in Noloco make it easy to connect and manage data from external sources like Google Sheets and Airtable. By keeping records in sync and improving filtering, views, and permissions, this feature helps streamline workflows and enhance data management.